The course calendar can be accessed using the global navigation bar on the far left-hand side of the screen. As you can see here in white, calendar icon is highlighted. Moving across the top of the bar, we have left and right arrows that can switch between months. We also have a hyperlink of the month. When we drop it down, we can move to any date that we need. There are different views for the calendar. Upon opening it, it should default to the monthly view, which you can see here. We can, however, switch to a week, which will boost all of the lessons down to the bottom. This is because each lesson has a due date with a set close time of 11:59 p.m. We can also jump to an agenda view, which will lay out each of your lessons on the given day. Moving back over to the monthly view, I'd like to show you that each course has a color associated with it. This is similar to the dashboard when we were talking about colors before. Over here on the far right hand side of my screen, I have active and inactive calendars. You can see here that some of them have colored squares next to them showing they are active. Others are gray. When I turn on a gray calendar, its lessons will populate on the calendar. When I turn it off, they'll disappear. The calendar can only show 10 at a time, 10 course calendars at a time. So please be thoughtful of that just in case you have lots of classes for multiple students. This is your course calendar.